Goa. Goa is situated on the west coast of India. To the north, it is surrounded by Maharashtra and southeast by Karnataka and to the west by Arabian Sea. Goa is divided into two districts, namely North Goa and South Goa. There are 12 talukas in Goa. Tiswadi is one such taluka. The capital of Goa, that is Panaji, is situated in Tiswadi taluka. Tiswadi taluka is bounded by Bardez in the north. To the northeast, it is bounded by Bicholim taluka and to the southeast by Ponda taluka and south by Mormugaon taluka and to the west by the Arabian Sea. Tiswadi is also known as Ilyashti Goa, meaning Islands of Goa. It is said because Tiswadi is surrounded by water. To the northeast and southeast, it is surrounded by Mandovi River. To the south, it is surrounded by Zuari River and to the west by the Arabian Sea. As it is situated on the west coast, it has beautiful beaches, springs, lakes and islands. There are beautiful beaches in Tiswadi Taluka like the Shirdaon Beach, Bambolim Beach and the famous Miramar Beach. There are also beautiful lakes like, for example, the Karambolim Lake. Tiswadi has beautiful springs like Kurka Spring and the Boka Divaka Spring. Tiswadi also has beautiful islands like the Diwar Island, Shorao Island, Vashi Island and the Santisteva Island. It also has a beautiful plateau, that is the Taligaon Plateau, where the Goa University is situated. Tiswadi, as it is situated on the west coast and surrounded with water, it has beautiful mangrove forest, which protects Tiswadi from erosion and is a habitat for beautiful birds and crocodiles. As there are mangrove forests in Tiswadi, there are many migrated birds and crocodiles seen in this area. There is also a famous Dr. Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary in Tiswadi Taluka, where we can see different migrated birds. Besides that, the Karambolim Lake is also famous for bird watching. The main occupation of the people of Tiswadi is fishing and agriculture. Rice and vegetables are grown in plenty in Tiswadi Taluka, and the said product is later sold in the local markets. Hence, the staple diet of the people of Tiswadi is rice fish curry. In Tiswadi, most of the administrative offices and headquarters are situated. The All India Radio, Kala Academy, Sanskruti Bhavan, Goa Medical College, Old Secretariat, Bishop's Palace, Chief Minister's Bungalow, Governor's Residency, Goa University, Central Library, ESG, Shama Prasad Mukherjee Indoor Stadium, Police Headquarters, CBI, Bench of Bombay High Court at Panaji and the National Institute of Oceanography. Tiswadi is a perfect tourist destination as it has beautiful beaches, springs, boat cruise, casinos, Donapola and Old Goa Jetty. It also has the UNESCO World Heritage Site that is situated at Old Goa and the beautiful Santisteva Fort and much more. To get to these places, there is public as well as private transport easily available.